I'm trying the coconut water berry breakfast cereal. I had blueberries, strawberries, pomegranate, coconut water. I like ice with my cereal. Are you ready to taste?
Oh.
It's good.
Oh.